The tube connector is part of your small engine's fuel system. It is inserted through the tank grommet, and the fuel line is attached to it. Over time, the connector can become brittle and eventually break in two. Replacing the tube connector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the plastic strap that secures the fuel tank to the frame. I previously drained the fuel from the fuel tank, so now I can go ahead and remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. I'll note the location of each of the lines before I remove them. Now remove the fuel line assembly from the tank. I'll use a small screwdriver to pry the grommet from the tank. The connector tube is inside the grommet between the two pieces of incoming fuel line. I'll go ahead and remove the fuel lines. Now insert the new tube connector into the upper fuel line, and then reconnect the lower line. There's a fuel line clip on the lower line. I'll hold it about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the line, and then insert the line onto the connector. And now reinstall the fuel line assembly. I'll install a little 2-cycle oil to the grommet to make it easier to insert it into the tank. And I'll use a screwdriver to help me push the grommet into the tank, being careful that I don't puncture the grommet or any of the fuel lines. Now reconnect the fuel lines. And tuck the tank vent back into the pocket on the blower housing. And I'll finish up by resecuring the fuel tank with the plastic strap. You'll notice one leg of the strap is longer than the other. The long leg goes towards the blower on the frame. And that's how you can replace the connector tube on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.